You know these fucking sick fucking things that are out there? You know, skulking and lurking. Fucking sick. And that's people that are thinking that they're educated and thinking that they're this and they're that. That's fine. That's fine. What you are is you're indoctrinated. And just by one word I can say it. Astrophysicist. Look at these highly educated astrophysicists. I'm going to demonstrate to you in the next video that's linked to this video, right after this video, to be precise, that astrophysicists are nothing more than pseudoscience and back it all up. And after this, I won't even say a word. And you can look it up and you don't have to like it. Bye.
Down further on what I'm saying.
No, right. You read the colloquial definition.
Excuse me, sorry.
Yeah,
so a hypothesis is a proposed explanation for a phenomenon.
Stop! Oops. What's a phenomenon called?
Stop! Thing, right?
I don't need you to talk any further. That's all you need to say. A proposed explanation for a phenomenon, correct?
Yeah, so life is
Stop
would be a hypothesis.
Talking! Yes, so we have a proposed explanation for a phenomena, otherwise known as a dependent variable. So the dependent variable and independent variable were specifically what I asked for, and there we have it, hypothesis and explanation for a phenomenon. So your dependent variable in the hypothesis is the phenomenon. So let's start there with your definition. What's the phenomenon being observed in your experiment? The dependent variable.
Lights in the sky.
Excellent. So now you give me the presumed cause, otherwise known as an independent variable, for those lights in the sky to make this a valid scientific experiment. What's the cause of the lights in the sky?
Well, we don't know the cause, that's why we do.
So this isn't science then, Sunshine, because we would require an independent variable, something that we presume is the cause of the effect, the phenomena that we're trying to research, and we would vary and manipulate that presumed cause in an experiment to prove it is the cause. That's science.
Okay,
now,
but
unless shut your mouth. Unless you've got an independent and dependent variable so that you can experiment and perform systematic tests of your hypothesis, then you don't have science. So the fact that you can tell me that you can adhere to step one, observe a phenomena, doesn't give you science, because observation and declaration isn't varying and manipulating a presumed cause and effect, otherwise known as science. So this is not science. As you correctly declare, you don't know what the cause is. So, Sunshine, this would be pseudoscience, as declared about 10 minutes ago. Not an adherence to the scientific method, not establishing the cause of your effect that you're looking at, but simply a declaration by priests, otherwise known as pseudoscience, a bit like homeopathy, where they don't have experimental backing. So your priests, the ones that look at the sky, declare. They don't experiment, they're pseudoscientists. Now I'd like my concession, please.
What he just said was absolutely 110% correct. And the people that he's talking about are astrophysicists. You have been duped, and you will learn, because your pride will suffer the most. You fools.
Well, I'm not understanding why you're being so hostile with me. I haven't been hostile with you, right?
Yeah, because you're
I'm not understanding why you're calling me.
Don't ask rhetorical questions.
I haven't called you anything.
Stop talking. Right? Don't ask rhetorical questions. I'll give you an answer. I'm hostile because you, the ignorant person...
I didn't ask a question. I'm saying
I'm talking.
No, but I didn't ask you.
You, the ignorant person, has declared that astrophysicists are scientists. That is incorrect. They are... No, you haven't conceded it yet. So
No, but listen to what I'm saying,
It's
right?
fine. I concede I was wrong.
This is not a conversation.
Yeah, because we've got somebody who's a dumbass and ignorant who I'm trying to school
Again with the name calling.
and keeps talking. That's what ignorant people do. They talk like Arwen is when they should shut up and listen. So
Is this because I'm a black guy?
I don't know what colour you are. I can't see your skin. Is it because I'm white? Is it because I'm white?
The treatment.
Nathan's a black woman.
We have Slick here.
I don't know the colour of your
Did I
skin.
just hear that right? Did you just say he was racist because of the way he's talking?
No, I'm asking because I'm not understanding why I'm being called names. I haven't been rude to anybody. I haven't been rude to anybody. I haven't called anybody any names. I haven't raised my voice. I haven't been hostile in any fashion.
Have you
I'm being called
Do you want an answer?
ignorant,
Do you want an answer?
things.
Do you want an answer, or will you just
This is
talking?
strange. This is
Yeah, he'll
strange
just
to me.
keep talking. Do you want an answer to your question? I don't know why I'm
No, I
liberated.
haven't. Look, whoever's speaking to me, I haven't asked a question. What I'm saying is I don't understand the treatment.
Yeah, and do you want an explanation?
It's called
Or will
the
you
internet.
continue to talk? That's a question. Do you want an explanation, or will you just continue to talk?
I don't know if I want an explanation as to why I'm being treated so poorly.
You're not being treated poorly.
I would say I am.
So you are going to continue to talk? So you're treating me very poorly by interrupting. You've asked a question, you've clarified that you want some sort of explanation for the treatment. Now I'm giving it you and you're talking over me. You're being called ignorant because you are ignorant. You came in and declared incorrectly that astrophysicists were under the umbrella of science, a method. Then I explained that they were not. We're still explaining it, and rather than conceding it, you're like, oh, that's fair enough, while you talk all over me. I interrupt when you make an incorrect assertion that needs correcting. I don't...
Now, for the educated, scientific community, get this through your fucking blunt skulls. Astrophysicists are not scientists. They are not adhering to a scientific method. They are outside of the realm of empirical science, which makes them pseudo-science. Now, boys and girls, go get your fucking pens and paper. You're gonna go do some homework now. You get together now. Clap, clap time. I want you all to look up the definition of the word pseudoscience. And then when you figure that out, you'll go back to what you've learned from astrophysics and how it's affected what you think you live on, you fucking morons.
want the ears of my audience poisoned with your ignorance. So that is why I've had to take time out of my day to explain to somebody who doesn't understand what they're talking about that they're ignorant. So either shut your mouth and be educated so that in future you're no longer ignorant, but unfortunately you're too keen to talk when you should listen. So that is another demonstration of your ignorance. You're not listening to what I'm saying, you're waiting for your opportunity to talk. So, is it clear that I'm not calling you names? I am absolutely demonstrating that you are ignorant of these facts, i.e. astrophysics is pseudoscience. Fact. Please concede it.
I disagree.
Oh, really?
Now, did you hear that? He said, I disagree. And this is an educated person. Now, I need to clarify this and get to the heart of the matter right now. And that's that his own pride will not allow him to concede the truth. And the truth is that everything that he has said and everything that he believes and everything that you think you fucking know is based on astrophysics of what you think you see in the fucking sky. And it's not empirical science, it is pseudoscience. And that doesn't bother you? It's your fate. You earned it.
So, even though I've just explained precisely what science is,
But I have my explanation.
oh, you're talking again. You don't agree, even though you've just had an explanation of precisely what science is, using your own definition. So we've gone and had Wikipedia show us that it's observing phenomena. We've asked you what your phenomena is, and your phenomena is the stars, and yet you concede that you can't give us a cause, and you still think it's science.
May I speak? May I speak now? More than a sentence.
Yeah, I was at the end of my point.
I'm going to carry on.
Yeah, I was at the end of my point when you